Alright, division of polynomials. I need to be able to divide them. And you've got to think back to primary school. Now, I'm not even sure of your era you learnt this in primary school, but the divisor divides the dividend to get the quotient and the remainder. Divider equals dividend equals divisor times quotient plus remainder. Now, if I'm dividing 4x cubed plus 8x squared minus 6x plus 7 by x plus 1, there's another way to do it, and I must look it up. It's a bit easier, but this is the way I've been doing it for years, and it works for me, so it's going to work for you. I need to say, how many times does x go into 4x cubed? Well, it's 4x, well, what do I times x by to get 4x cubed? 4x squared. And then I need to plus the 4x squared. Just like any long division, you've got a minus, so that goes away, and I'm left with 4x squared. So how many times does x go into 4x squared? 4x times. I need to bring that down. So I've got 4x squared plus 4x, I need to minus. Minus 6x minus 4x is minus 10x, bring the 7 down. How many times does x go into minus 10x? It's minus 10. So I've got minus 10x minus 10. And I subtract them and I'm left with a remainder of 17. So in other words, x plus 1 times 4x squared plus 4x minus 10 plus 17 equals what I started with, minus 6x plus 7. There's another one. Right, x to the 4 plus x plus 1 divided by x squared plus minus 1. Wow, I gave you a great one to start with. So, I've got no x cubed, but I might need them. I've got no x squared, but I might need them. I've got an x and I've got a 1. X squared, no x, minus 1. What do I have to times x squared by to get x to the 4? X squared, so I've got x to the 4 plus 0x cubed, which is timesing that, minus x squared, and I subtract them. 0, 0, and this is plus x squared, so I need a 1. I need to bring these down, plus x plus 1, x squared plus no x minus 1, and I need to subtract them. That goes, x minus nothing is still x, 1 minus minus 1 is 2. So what I have is x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 1 plus x plus 2, and expand it out if you don't believe me, is equal to x to the 4 plus x plus 1.